Hi, Josh here with another update regarding Olinda Ranch's painting and repair project. As the project continues to progress, we want to remind homeowners involved in this project that there is action required to prepare for work on your home. Anything on or within 18 inches of your rear iron backyard fence needs to be removed. Your sprinklers also need to be turned off during and 48 hours after completion of painting. At the end of this video will be examples of compliant and non-compliant fences. Homeowners who are non-compliant will be eligible for fines, including any associated costs required for the contractor to remobilize and return to complete the painting and repair work. Again, our team is here to support you. Please don't risk getting fined. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact First Service Residential's project management team using the email provided on our flyers. Thank you again for your understanding and cooperation as we work to improve your community. Please stay tuned for more updates and have a great day.